Now that we are done with the blush, and don't forget, we are still talking about how to layer your products correctly in the right order. So we are just done with the blush. So we are moving on to the next one, which hi lovelies, how you all doing? It's good to have you back. So in this particular video, I am going to be teaching you how to properly layer your skin products. I don't mean your skin prep, I mean your foundation and all that. A lot of us don't know the one that is supposed to come first, the one that is supposed to come second. So in this video, I will be teaching you the one that should come first and the one that should come last. So if you've been struggling with this, I urge you to watch this video to the last minute, because after this video, you're not going to have any issues with that anymore. So in case you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Joy and this is my beauty and lifestyle channel. And before you leave, make sure you like and subscribe to this channel, because we have a lot of beauty things going on here. So see you in this video. So I just put my hair to the back so that I can properly tell you that. So let's just go. Now after your skin prep, the first product you should put on your face is your foundation. This is the first product that goes in after your skin prep. In case you don't know how to do your skin prep, you're still wondering how to do it, you're still struggling to do your skin prep based on your skin type, I have a playlist on that. I am going to leave the link here for you. Make sure you check that link out. So the first product you need is your foundation. Foundation is what helps you to take away the imperfections you have on your face, like the discolorations, the dark spots, all those acne marks you have on your face. Foundation is what helps you to take them out. It's actually the base for your makeup. Foundation is the base for your makeup. If you want a flawless makeup without any spots, nothing, you should start with your foundation. So this is the first product that should go in, your foundation. And please don't forget to take it easy with your foundation. Just a little goes a long way. You don't need to pack a whole bottle of foundation on your face. And of course, while applying your foundation, you should avoid the under eye. Don't put your foundation there, because it's not meant to go there. You will only go there with the remaining you have on your brush, just like I'm doing right now. Can you see what this part of my face looks like compared to this other side? Can you still see the acne marks here? You can still see them visibly well, but here everything has been covered. That is what foundation does for you. It gives you that flawless base you need to start application of all other products you need. So foundation is like the heart of makeup. Without your foundation, your makeup is not going to go well, and if anything should go wrong with your foundation, you have to struggle to get that makeup in place again. So be very conscious of it and be very mindful while doing your foundation. And of course, I have a lot of videos that teaches you how to do it and do it perfectly well, like this one right here. Please make sure you watch it out. Okay, so let me just finish up with the other side and I'll be right back. Can you see what we look like right now compared to when we started? So foundation is the first thing you need. You need it to cover every imperfection you have on your face before you move on to the next one. Next product you need is your contour. This is what you use to add dimensions to your face. Use it to cast shadows to the face. Just making your face not to look flat, giving it dimensions. That's what contour does. It adds shadows to the face, making everything to stand out. And while doing your contour, please make sure you're not making it to be too visible, too harsh. Just a little goes a long way. You just add here, add to the forehead, and of course the sides of your nose, just like this. And make sure to blend everything out completely well to avoid harsh line. And if you're using a contour that dries so quick, please, you should be fast with it so that you won't end up with harsh lines. Okay, my hairs are getting in the way, sorry. If you watch now that the contour is properly blended out, You will notice that we've added some shadows to this face. If you watch here, you will notice that some parts are lighter, like this part is lighter than here. Here is lighter than here. So that is the work of the contour, to add dimensions to your face. It's going to become very, very visible the moment you highlight the face. So let's just move on to the next product you need. That's the product number 3 that you're supposed to add to your skin work, your face makeup, which is your blush. Moving on to the next product you're to add to your face makeup, that's product number 3. Don't forget, we are talking about how to layer your products. So we added the foundation, which is the first one, the contour, then the blush. This is the third product that is supposed to go in. So we just add that. See where I'm adding it, just on top of where you contoured. This is the third product that will go in, and of course you blend that out. One thing blush does is that it makes you look younger, in case you don't know, and in case you've been skipping it, I think you should stop skipping it because it makes you look younger. Now that we are done with the blush, and don't forget, we are still talking about how to layer your products correctly in the right order. So we are just done with the blush. So we are moving on to the next one, which is your concealer. Don't forget, this is the fourth one, your concealer. So for my concealer, I'll be using a concealer that is a bit lighter because the contour I use is quite dark. Though I won't be using too much of it, just a little. I'm using this one because I don't want to end up looking too dark. And you can see where I'm adding that. Not too much, just a little. So I'm done adding my concealer, so I'm just going to go ahead and blend with my damp beauty blender. Concealer adds light to the face, just like contour is for shadows, concealer is for light. Yes. And now that the concealer is properly blended out, it's time for you to set. And that is the fifth product you need, right? First was the foundation, second was your contour, third was your blush, the fourth one your concealer, and now the fifth one, the setting powder. You set the areas you highlighted. After your setting powder, you take your finishing powder and then go over everything. Add your finishing powder to your face. You blend everything together using your finishing powder. Using your finishing powder, you blend it all together. And after that, you bring it all together with your setting spray. And make sure the spray touches every part of the face. It's either you use your fan to dry it or you let it dry on its own. But you must not add anything on your face while the setting spray is yet to dry, because that is going to ruin your makeup. So you have to give it time. Make sure that the setting spray dries very, very well before any other thing. Okay? So what I just showed you is the right way to do it. Forget about those videos you see. We might add one or two to make the process fun, but what I just showed you is the correct way to do it. So as much as you're adding one or two to make your process fun, do not forget the correct way to do it, okay? And if you follow these processes, if you follow these steps, you will get the best, okay? Because this is the best way to layer your products. All right, so don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and please leave me a comment in the comment section till I come your way next time. I am still your favorite makeup artist. I love you guys. Bye.
In front of a mirror, lights low and bright. It's showing shadows, showing you the life just right. Blending those colors till the look takes flight.